Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm trying like a new place to put my camera when I'm doing like car unboxings or vlogs and things like that. So let me know if this works. I feel like I'm too close to the camera. I don't know, that's how I feel. But you guys let me know if I look too close or not. I'll probably check the videos and I'll see if I look like super close. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this, but I usually have this off to the side where a lot of times you see like a piece of my steering wheel. So I was like, let me try to put this somewhere else so you know you guys can see me a little better. And the problem that I think is that my steering wheel is like too high up. So that's probably why I can't put this like a little further. So probably after this video, I'll probably try to like lower my steering wheel so I could put the camera more back. And yeah, so yes, I'm parked. I am not, you guys know how I am. I always do this during lunchtime. If I'm ever doing a car vlog like or unboxing or something, I'm obviously not driving. So today we're gonna do the Target Beauty September 2019 unboxing. This box is $7 and I don't believe it comes out like all the time. I don't know if it comes out like every 2 months or every season or what the thing is, but I believe this is the September one, and it does say fall. It says glow into fall is the little card, so I don't know if it's their fall box or their September box. I think like when I buy it, it always has like a month written on it. So I did check out, like a lot of people were saying that this box was really good, so I was like, let me check this out. And when I saw what it brought in it, I was like, okay, I need to try this box. So in here, in this little paper, they tell us everything that's in the box. So first thing in here is from Miss Spa, and this is a sheet mask. It's the Hydrate Facial Sheet Mask. And this has natural aloe, restores and replenishes even the driest skin. And it's dermatologist tested. It gives you results in 20 minutes, and it has aloe leaf extract. I am like so oversaturated with masks. Like I can't deal with one more mask in my life. It's like too much already. Next thing in here is from Tresemme. And this is the Botanique Color Vibrance and Shine Shampoo and Conditioner Samples. And this is with pomegranate and camellia oil, and it says vibrant color for up to 8 weeks. Next thing in here is a little sample from Dove, and this is an antiperspirant, a deodorant, and it's in the smell Rose Silk. And this is the little sample right here. Like, look how small that is. You can't smell it. I don't want to open it though, but I really do want to smell it. It says they also have it in powder finish and jasmine touch. So that's that. Then the next thing in here is from Trim. Is the brand Trim? I believe it is. And this is the nail files. And it brings 2 in there. That's pretty good. I like this. 2 boards. You always need a nail file. And the last thing in here is the whole reason why I decided to get this. And it is the Intuition Trial Pack from Chic. And it's a razor. Can you guys even see that? The lighting with this angle, I guess, isn't that good. I'm hoping you guys can see. Well, the lighting doesn't look so bad, but... so this is the Sensitive Care Razor. And I've had this one before. I did like it. So I was like, why not? This on its own probably costs more than $7. So I'm like, okay, let's get this box. Everything else is like blah, but this was probably worth it. So I'm glad I actually got it. It says that there's no need for shave gel. It has 1 razor, 1 cartridge. Obviously, I would probably have to buy the replacements and stuff like that, which are really expensive sometimes. But it was worth to get this and try it. This has aloe and vitamin E. I had this one before many years ago, but like a different, it didn't have aloe or vitamin E. So yeah, guys, that's it for this Target September beauty box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.